Hey everybody, Michael Beach from Hoosier Sheds here on the north side of Kokomo. We're going to look at this pretty big lofted barn here. Now this is a metal barn. All of our metal buildings, this color of metal is standard on the outside. They all come with that. You can get other colors. Other colors are available just for an upcharge. The wainscoting as well down here, that's an upcharge as well. But it's all reasonably priced. We've got our standard moisture resistant flooring in here. Again, that's better than a lot of other builders will do. We're looking 12 by 16 lofted barn right here. Big space in the back. Turn on, big old space in the front. Plenty of room for your stuff. Again, 12 by 16 lofted barn. We've got ramps available too. Get a nice 6 foot wide ramp. You'll be in business getting your mower in here.